Kia ora, my cuzzies. It's me, Buzzer Cuz, back at it again on another amazing adventure. And today, I'm experimenting with things that either sink or float. Make sure you get into the pool nice and safely. If you're swimming in a pool, make sure you have an adult to supervise you. First up is our mako. Will it sink or will it float? What do you think, cuzzies? All right, let's try it out. Te rua toru. It floats! The mako floats! Yee-hee! Now, for our second experiment, our dinosaurs. Will they sink or float? What do you think? Let's try it out! Te rua toru. They sunk! No! Next is our piece of rako. Will it sink or will it float? What do you think? Let's try it out! Te rua toru. It floats! For our fourth experiment, my awesome jet plane. Will it sink or will it float? We're gonna find out! Te rua toru. It floats as well too! All right, for our next experiment, let's go! Te rua toru. That one sinks! Oh my goodness, I can see it getting to the bottom of the pool! Now, for our next experiment, the monster truck. Will it sink or will it float? Can you guess? All right, let's see what happens. Te rua toru, go! The monster truck sunk all the way to the bottom of the pool. I've lost it! For our final experiment, our precious tonga. Will it sink or will it float? You're about to find out. Can you guess which one it is? Let's see! Te rua toru, go! Oh, the tonga sunk all the way to the bottom of the pool. Oh, that's gonna be like a little treasure that we can find later. Awesome! Cuzzies, I've got one more thing to show you. It's the most amazingest thing I might have ever built in my whole entire life. I built a little makeshift boat. Check this out. Check it out! Ko te hau te waka. This is my waka that I made out of heaps of recycled materials. Check it out. It's got a little balloon as a motor, and I've even put some people in there so that they can enjoy the ride. Te rua toru wha haere. It works! Ka kite anō, my cuzzies.